Dear students, welcome to the WTA lab. Today we are going to discuss program number 6. First we will see the program statement. Write a program in PHP to keep track of number of visitors visiting the web page and to display this count of visitors with proper headings. Okay, so probably you have seen the web pages where they every web page will keep the visitors count somewhere in the corner or else in the middle of the page. You can see the number of visitors visited this page. That will be in lakhs together. What this mainly says is it has more number of customers kind. Okay, so today we are going to learn how to display the visitors count. Okay, first we will understand the logic and then we will start writing the program. This logic we call it as count file logic. Okay, so we are going to use the file to keep the count. Okay, page visit count. Okay, how to do that? So let's understand step by step. This is around a 8-step process. So first what we have to do is we have to open a file. Okay, so we name it as count.txt. We name the file as count.txt. We open in a PHP, right? Then we read the content of the file. Initially we can uh, input the content as 0 and we read the content of the file after opening the file, and we store that value, okay, the content of the file, to the variables called hits. Okay, then we'll close the file. Then what we will do, we will increment the hits variable. We increment the hits variable. Then once again we will open the file in a write mode. The hits content, whatever incremented content is there, that we will place in the file and we will close it. And whatever the hits count, we are going to print on the page. This is how we are going to do. Okay, so for this we are going to use the file. Okay, so in order to write this program, you should know file handling in PHP. Since we already discussed this concept in the third module, okay, of your WTA theory, straight away I'm going to write the program. So let's go to the editor and we will write the program. Yeah, program number 6. Okay, I'll save it in HTT docs. I'll save it as count and the file type is PHP. Okay, I'll increment the font so that you can view better. So first we will put an heading like a refresh page. Okay, I'll use the echo statement. Echo refresh page. Okay, next I'll set the name of the file. Variable called name. And directly use the name in the functions also. I'm using this way. Next we are going to open the file. First argument will be the name of the file. Second argument will be the mode. I opened the file. The file handle is placed in the variable called $file. Okay. Now I'll read the content into hits variable. That is what we thought of doing it. There are so many functions are available to read. I am going to use fscanf. So we open the file, we read the content of the file into hits variable, and we are going to close it. Okay, then we increment the hits variable. So when we use fscanf to read the content will be stored in the form of array. So we have only one content, that is the count. So that's why we are using hits of 0. Then we are going to write the content of hits variable into the file now. So what we can do is just we can copy the above content. This is not required because we already set the variable. Okay, so we are opening once again the file in write mode. Okay. And instead of reading, what we are doing is we are writing. Okay, so print into the file type of content and the value. So instead of value, we are typing the variable name. That's all. Because it's already there. Use it. Now what we have to do, we have to print the content of its variable into the page. The proper heading is set total number of views. So it's a string. We give a space there. We'll concatenate with the variable. So that's all. So this is the program to count the number of visitors visiting the page. Next, we are going to run this. Yeah, this is how the output will come. The moment we refresh, the counter value will get increment. Okay, so we can look at the program once again and try to execute. Okay, thank you for watching my video.